whenever we're doing crane work. It's very important for the climbers and the groundmen to understand all the signals that are involved. There's, they use their fingers for wire up or wire down to lift the load up or boom down and stuff like that. And it's all industry standards. All our guys know it and understand it, and they work with the crane operator so we can work smoothly and efficiently, and everybody's on the same page. One thing that's really important is that we always stay out from under the load. We always train our guys, don't stand underneath the load like this, because you never know. There might be decay inside that branch and it could snap in half. You know, a choker could fail or something like that. We keep all the equipment new and updated and make sure it's in good condition. But for safety purposes, you got to stay out of harm's way. It's kind of a tricky site. We got wires over the edge of the street and landscape and all sorts of things to get this piece down and without damaging anything. They're going to take this piece over to the chipper where it's going to be turned into mulch. The mulch is used for landscaping, and we use it for tree protection and landscape purposes and construction. Normally this piece is getting lifted back up. We would grind the whole thing into mulch, but the client here happens to want to save the wood for firewood purposes. So you can see the guys are up there chipping the material, and this particular machine will chip up to about 16 inches in diameter. We have another one that will chip close to 20 inches in diameter. So it makes a lot of great compost and mulch for various purposes, and it also makes the job go by you very quickly too. Here sharpening the chain. These guys are very skilled about keeping the equipment sharp and serviced and running efficiently. Very important to have sharp chains so that it doesn't get caught up in the wood. Not only is it efficient, but it's also safe to have the equipment sharp. You get dull chains, they kick back on you, they bind up. A lot of things can happen. We have special grinders and things like that back to the shop, and a mechanic that works full time on our equipment. Keeps it serviced and sharp and ready to go. But sometimes on the job site you got to touch it up, make sure everything stays running smoothly.
Yeah.
So we just about got this job wrapped up. Probably got another half hour of saw cutting. Even though there's only a couple of logs, it takes a long time when it's that big of wood and it's really, really dense wood. So these guys will be out of here by 2:30, just in time for cocktail hour.